Hello, you're watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tichina. In the second half of the trading week, traders are going to carry on with robust activities amid a busy economic calendar. A speech of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell will trigger high volatility in the overnight rate on late Wednesday and early Thursday. The policymaker is going to speak about economic problems at an event hosted by the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas. Jerome Powell is likely to remind the market about the Fed's intention to raise the official funds rate in December. Besides, the agenda for the next year contains 3 rounds of monetary tightening. This plan was approved at the latest policy meeting. Such hawkish public remarks are sure to encourage a flood of long bets on the US dollar. The pound-dollar pair is expected to show interesting market moves because traders are anticipating October retail sales data from the United Kingdom on Thursday. In September, analysts predicted a 0.4% drop in retail sales, but in fact, consumer activity slumped by 0.8%. The dismal retail sales report pushed the pound sterling 100 pips down. If a similar situation occurs on Thursday and actual retail sales undershot the forecast 4.1% increase on months, it would make sense to open short positions on the pound-dollar pair. It's logical to expect such market sentiment as the United States is due to release a similar report. Investors view retail sales as a leading indicator of the U.S. economic growth. Indeed, consumer spending accounts for a bigger part of GDP in the United States. Retail sales in the U.S. edged up 0.1% in September, way below expectations for a 0.6% gain. Moreover, an annual rate of retail sales also eased to 4.7% from 6.5% previously. This time, the median forecast suggests a slowdown to 4.5% in annual terms. However, retail sales are expected to grow 0.6% in October month-on-month. If actual data meets expectations, the United States dollar is set to extend to rally and close this trading week at the level above a 16-month high. Apart from the above-mentioned events, traders are alert to other important reports. On Thursday, Australia will release data on the labor market. The European Union will present a trade balance report, and the United States is due to release a series of reports such as manufacturing PMIs and unemployment claims. Besides, another speech by the Fed chairman is slated for Thursday. His counterpart from the ECB, Mario Draghi, is going to speak on Friday. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.